Part
after
1.
the fuck and not tell Crissy. So if I am guilty of that,
yeah. Go on mute, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute your star. Only per pressure, I'm gonna. One time it hard to carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, on the journey so far. Show me, know me, we go do things and nobody argue. Me like go the loose and start told me harder.
Wagwan Success family, hope everyone doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all the videos like this video so we can continue to drop more contents like this, contents that you appreciate listening. Alright, so today we want to talk about Cmr, Shani, Crissy and Wally British, because we all know the saga, we all know everything will go on where Cmr cheat on his wife Crissy with Shani, come out, go live and say, yo, Ray, you know, it was a prank. Crissy come out and say, yo, it was not a prank because all of these voice notes and everything. Shani then I make it look like, say, yo, it was a prank when we know, say, it was not a prank and she did mean everything what she say and all of the receipts and everything them what she show. So now we have Wally British I come out and I say, yo, I was aware, I knew of this situation, you see me, so I apologize to Crissy and I'm taking full responsibility for that. And now for the time, the people them we have in our circle are the people them what we know, are the people them we know, say, yo, other people they be on our back and do certain things, them can come out and say, yo, you know, say, yo, Ray. But no, them rather you stay in the dark, stay clueless, and have people behind your back and do what them a do. You see me? So that a way Wally British do, even though she say, yo, she was not obligated to say anything to Crissy, but now she's taking responsibility now that everything a play out. Oh, it a play out, you see me? So we're gonna take a look at Wally British video right now where she's apologizing and she's talking about the whole thing with Shani and all these things. So check out the video.
about this
Part
after
1.
the fuck and not tell Crissy. So if I am guilty of that, yes, me guilty of that, I'm own that. And my explanation of that is that it wouldn't be my place. I am not the type of person. Zenora my best friend, and if Zenora like a boy or a girl out the road, and them attack and me see them as somebody, me nah put it to Zenora because me nah be the one for Zenora and her man go argue. So there and then now, if me guilty of that, me can't own that. Me never did I go be the one. Number 2, the second thing when me guilty of, I feel sorry for this girl. I feel sorry for this girl, and me say anybody else sorry for him, I go feel because me I go explain my little part now. As me say, the second thing when me guilty of, I feel sorry for this girl because you know what put me in this position, because me sorry for her. Over a month and change ago, me there me yard, and somebody messaged me and said, could I have your number? Me would have liked to talk to you about something. Now, this a messenger wouldn't be the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th time people message me in that type of way. In terms of whatever them I go through, if you think say, alright, me I go try off a wallet for help. Whether financial help, whether link help, whether no matter what type it is, whether a woman I got you a personal something with their husband or their man, a person will reach out to me and say, Wally, me feel like say, alright, but I talk to you. So there and then, a baby about a month, let's say 2 months. Someone had messaged me in my inbox on Instagram and said, then I like to talk to me about. Me tell you, so me dep on the road, like you that come from your yard, that come down Iowa if you go my yard, my girl. Me walk come down Iowa like towards my house. I'm now approaching the light at any pin. Yes. You wasn't to be the one to break the news. Me explain my part because me no know what Shani or one feel say did that go happen to me now. Only just jump on here. Oh, Wally or Crissy your friend. Oh, you wicked. Oh, you a snake. Snake fuck. How the fuck me a snake? Me tell myself say I wasn't even going to get upset. But when me I say guilty, I feel no, and I feel after the fact, because if Cmr even had intercourse with this girl, me certain say from me know about it, then no intercourse again. So I don't feel like so now go can do to me now. What the feel so no can do to me now? You think me and a pussy wall and no we are shit in our farm? if CMR and this girl intercourse, I know after me know. I know after me know. So anything when me know after the fact. Anything when me know is after the fact. So there and then, oh, me feel held responsible. Then now again, let me tell you, oh, me heart will get me in a trouble. And more than one time, I see people tell me, say, they don't live nowhere. Me there, me yard already, and a girl message me out of the blue and tell me, say, she homeless and she want help and red hair, and she there in Miami somewhere, but, and she have papers in England and she have papers in America. Either way, she not live nowhere in one tire shop, she there, and she want help. When the girl called me with that, in the morning, to the way I feel, me say, Jesus Christ, me have one empty room here. When the girl hold the phone and show me across the tire shop, my heart nearly dropped down. Right away, me tell the girl, so you can come, and you can come today. When me tell the girl, like me said to the girl, when me make up my mind, if tell the girl, so she can come just like that. Our page is private. Me say, open me a page and make me see your page. Because you can't judge a book by its cover.
Alright, so that was the video. And as I said, be careful of people where you have in your circle. Be careful of the one them where you have in the circle, because Mama said Crissy come out and say, yo, CMR friends them where around him know wagwan and them allow it. And any man where you see cheat on his wife, you can't trust him. You can't trust him in a no business deal. You can't trust him none at all. You see me? Because he must show certain levels of principle and them thing. They say, yo, him can if him can do that to him wife with dead of him and everything, and him can go behind her back and betray her like that, then when would I do you? When would I do somebody else? You see me? Jano youth. If your wife have to come out on social media, open up and tell people themselves she have to delete a TikTok off her page of you posting it and make it look like say yo as she I say, yeah, it was just a prank. Yeah, waste man. When you reach them levels there, you know say yo, you're failing as a husband, you're failing as a man, youth. You see me? And you just try to cover your act. You just try to cover your act right there, son, right there. You see me? So clean up your act, youth, and as me say, go to your wife and speak to she and try to deal with what una deal with and love some waste girl and love some waste man movements and some waste man things. You see me? If you make it to the end of this video, check out my other video them and know when I go like it. Thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments. As always, I'm out. Subscribe to the channel. When I wait pan man, do that.